Well, good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank Ambilion for providing us the opportunity to present MP Mobile, which is a government official app of MP government, on this very platform. So I would like to thank Ambilion for providing us such a beautiful opportunity. First of all, I would like to go forward with a brief about MP Online. What actually MP Online is? MP Online is actually a e-gov portal of MP government, which is established in the year 2006 and with a vision and mission to bring citizen in from inline to online. So idea behind establishing MP Online is to bring citizen online from inline. Earlier, what was happening? The citizens are visiting the government offices to avail services, basic services. Now they are coming to our kiosks, which is a wide network of more than 13,000 kiosks in MP. So they are going to kiosks to avail citizen services. Now I am handing over the mic to my friend, my colleague Dheeraj, to go over with the M mobile app for which we are nominated.
I would like to thank to Ambilion to give the opportunity to represent the MP mobile app. And I started with the application. The agenda of the presentation, the key feature of the mobile applications, mobile app overview and a mobile app summary, mobile app milestones, uniqueness and impact, mobile app user interface, and about the MP Online. Key features of our mobile app. This is the multi-channel application which is accessed by the web-enabled web applications, Android phones, iOS and Windows as well. We are using the cloud messaging service in this mobile application and USSD enabled. Reach of citizen in different age groups. We target the maximum age group of citizens like students, job seekers, buyers, home buyers and normal citizen. Multi-mode of payment. This application enabled the mobile payment gateway, which includes the net banking, credit card payments, IMPS, and mobile wallet payments. Integrated with the government process. This application follows all the process of the government, which is defined by the application. Well, this application, the unique feature is this application becomes integrated with the multiple departments with more than 155 services, which includes online counseling. Counseling is the admission process for the student who want to take the admission in a technical education department. E-bidding system. There the citizen can avail the features provided by the housing board department. Bill payment, electricity bill payment and utility bill payment, and park acquisition on a national park ticket booking. This is the app overview of our application, which includes cloud messaging, web servers, SMS, interacting with the citizens, more than the 155 citizen sanitary services, online payment gateway, utility bill payment, counseling process. The summary of the application, we have the 4.2 rating in Google Play Stores and currently more than the 1 lakh downloads. The payment transaction till and the board of secondary education. 10th or 10th the student can see the result, exam result, and we have got the hits around 16 lakhs. A student can see the result through this mobile app. And the online counseling, 1,66,000 students can appear in the counseling. Board of secondary education, 65,000, more than 65,000 students can download the admit card through this mobile app. The milestone of this mobile app is we have integrated the more than 10 plus universities. Login based secure system for e-offer. Technical education department, 17 courses and online national park ticket booking. This is the uniqueness and impact of the application. Various government G2C services several which is provided by the several departments, universities, online payment gateway, right from easy to use, and reduction in the number of intermediates between the government and citizens. No cost involved in the government end. There is a free of cost to government. No need of trained manpower, and 24/7 into accessibility of this application. This is the process of online counseling. The student register first their self, then document verification, choice filling payment, then college allotment and reporting to the allotted college. And the e-offer bidding system, first they have to create the profile, then log in the system, search the offer, apply for the offer and application payment, then we have generated the bid ID, submit the bid ID amount, and last one is offer the e-allotment. And this is about the MP Online, which is already told by Mr. Gagan Soni, and this is the final for us. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Wonderful.
Yeah, thank you.
So could we have Girish Chaturvedi?